All right, let's talk about this beautiful identity from trigonometry that says arctan of x plus arctan of 1 over x is equal to pi over 2. Now, for the sake of brevity and because this is a YouTube short, I'm just going to do x as a positive number, but this does actually generalize to x being negative as well. Of course, x cannot be 0 because of this. It would be dividing by 0. But let's talk about how we can actually show this. So let's say that we let arctan of x equal alpha, and we'll let arctan of 1 over x equal beta. Okay, then what we have is we have tangent of alpha is equal to x, and we have tangent of beta is equal to 1 over x. Okay, now actually the beautiful thing about this is we can set this up using one right triangle. So if we try to draw our triangle here, and let's say that this angle is alpha, we'll say this angle is beta, and of course it's a right triangle, so that has to be a right angle. Now tangent of alpha is x, so if we write this as just x right here, this would have to be a 1. But notice that this works out beautifully for beta because then tangent of beta is opposite over adjacent, which is 1 over x, so it still works. Okay, so what we know then is since this is a right angle and the sum of the angles inside of a right triangle, or inside of any triangle, has to be 180 degrees, we know that alpha plus beta has to be whatever's left over, which happens to be 90 degrees because this is a right angle. So this is 90 degrees, but as a radian, we're going to write that as pi over 2. And since alpha was arctan x and beta was arctan of 1 over x, we've shown this identity.